Welcome to Kian Technology. In today's fast-paced business environment, tracking your organization's physical assets is more critical than ever. Introducing AsTrack, our premium, all-in-one solution designed to give you total control and visibility over your company's resources. Security and ease of use start at the very beginning. AsTrack features a multi-tiered secure login system, allowing for specialized access levels for system administrators, IT managers, and employees. This ensures that every user has exactly the tools they need while keeping sensitive organizational data protected. Once inside, the admin dashboard provides a powerful, real-time bird's-eye view of your entire operation. At a single glance, you can monitor the total number of users, assets in circulation, pending requests, and department structures. The recent system activity feed keeps you updated on every transaction, from asset assignments to maintenance updates, ensuring nothing ever slips through the cracks. Efficiency is built into the workflow. In the My Assets section, you can manage the full lifecycle of every item in your inventory. Each asset is tracked with precise details, including barcodes, categories, and current assignment status. Whether it's a high-end workstation or mobile device, you know exactly who has it and where it's located at all times. Communication between departments is seamless. Through the My Requests portal, managers and employees can easily submit and track requests for new assets, repairs, or returns. The system automatically organizes these into clear categories, allowing administrators to approve and deploy resources with maximum speed and transparency. Experience a smarter, more organized way to manage your business infrastructure. At Kian Technology, we are dedicated to transforming your operational challenges into streamlined digital successes. Take control of your assets today with AsTrack. Visit us at kiantechnology.com to start your digital transformation. Kian Technology